And the history repeat itself. Let me shock you. Can I tell you? It is the church that killed Jesus Christ. I'm going to explain it to you. Jesus Christ was not killed by prostitutes. Jesus Christ was not killed by thugs. Jesus Christ was not killed by rapists. Jesus Christ was not killed by drug dealers and drug abusers and substance abusers. Jesus Christ was not killed by witches. Azange bulawe bathakathi, azange bulawe izangoma, azange bulawe izinyanga, azange bulawe bathakathi nabantu abaloyal. uJesu wabulawa abantu ebaphatha iBhayibheli, ebayisontweni, abathandazayo, ebafastayo, ebakhuluma in tongues, abantu ebabulala uJesu. The church is the one that killed the Messiah. It was the church that killed Jesus Christ. It was the Pharisees that say, crucify him, crucify him. You know why? Because Jesus was spiritual and the church was religious. Lalela, uJesu was not religious. Lalela, abantu religious, ebabulala uJesu. Lalela, umuntu religious, nomuntu spiritual, abafani. Umuntu spiritual, who connected no Jehovah. Go to umuntu religious, uya-etha, uya esontweni, ugqoka kahle, ukhula njengabanye, naye kwethandaza njengabanye, mara lento ayikho kuhle. Are you with me? It is the church that said, let's kill this man. You know why? Because when you're spiritual, they will hate you. That's why in Japan, you know why? Japan, religious. Japan is spiritual. Japan know what God says. That's why Japan, he doesn't compromise. And Japan called black, black, and white, white. And Japan has got the backbone. And Japan has a mission and a commission from God. And Japan's purpose is to show the people God. That's why a real man of God, anega komba bantu yena, uzothatha bantu abakhombe uJesu owalena emthinji. Religious people are dangerous. Are you with me? Ningalali manje namapeni azophela manje. Can we give the Lord a Amen.